Hi guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart, just taking you on this BMW 1 Series 118d Sport Plus edition we've just taken in. Finished in vermilion red with the grey alloy wheels. Really good example, really well maintained throughout its life. You've got the 18-inch, like I say, grey alloys to complement the body colour, with the grey sort of rear lower tail, rear lower spoiler, 13 plate. And like I say, really good example. No sort of dents, scrapes, marks, paintwork to sort, anything like that. It is just a real true example. Sport Plus edition as well. Not a million of these out here. You've got the full leather interior, heated seats, Bluetooth telephone, just under 76,000 miles on the clock, 2 manufacturer keys, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio. You've got your telephone in there as well, as you can see. You've got your dual zone climate control with your heated seats for driver and passenger. I won't trial them in this heat, let me tell you. Park sensors, auto start stop, 6-speed gearbox, M Sport embossed and an M Sport embossed steering wheel as well. And then service history wise is incredible. So 15, 16, 17, 18, and then you've got 19, 20, 21 and 22, and it will receive a fresh service and MOT with us here at Kendal Automart as well, so I'm sure it won't hang about. Like I say, not many of this specification out there, so act fast, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye.